Side-eye. Now, repeat after me. Side-eye. Side-eye. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Side-eye refers to a subtle glance out of the corner of your eye, often expressing suspicion, disapproval, or annoyance. It's a way of non-verbally showing you're not impressed or amused by something. Think of it like this. If someone makes a questionable comment and you don't want to say anything, you might just give them a side-eye. In a sentence, she gave him a side-eye when he tried to take credit for her work. Here, the side-eye expresses her disapproval without words. Let's try another example. I got a lot of side-eyes when I showed up late to the meeting. Synonyms. Some related words are glare, a more intense look of disapproval. Skeptical look, a facial expression showing doubt or disbelief. Antonyms. The opposite of side-eye would be smile, a facial expression of happiness or approval. Nod, a gesture of agreement or approval. Part of speech. Side-eye is a noun referring to the act of giving a subtle look of disapproval or skepticism. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.